Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and today we have another quick recap on the XAUUSD market. It's been another crazy day. Who would have guessed? So I'm not sure what's been happening with the gold forex market. Well, actually, I kind of do, and so should you if you're actually interested in trading the gold forex market. Hello. So I cannot wait to jump into these charts and show you guys what's been happening. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Maya from TradeLabs, and again, like I quickly mentioned, today we're gonna do another short review on the XAUUSD trading market because it's been another really powerful day, and we would be kind of stupid not to look at this because the volatility of this has been crazy lately, and volumes is exactly what you're looking for when trading. Well, anything really is the most important thing. As you all know, gold is usually a metal that kind of holds its value, and we can put our base in it that it's going to last like most likely forever. Either way, gold is usually a safe haven in terms of investments, and I'll show you guys today what happened to make me think that way still. Okay guys, so you should be able to now see the chart on my screen of today's XAUUSD trading market. And of course, as you can see and probably noticed, I'm not using your usual candlestick, just traditional chart. I'm using a very special chart, which is called again the momentum trading indicator. This is an absolutely amazing addition to your trading world. This is a proprietary indicator, very good at predicting the direction of the market, which is exactly what all traders want, right? If you know the direction, you will have success in forex trading. In order to do that, you need to get the direction right. And again, if you don't get the direction right, then you will continue to struggle at forex trading. But you don't need to worry because we do have this amazing momentum trading indicator. Again, this has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the trading market, and I would never ever go back to the usual candlestick 1 minute chart. It's saving you from going from this which is a whole mess of squiggly lines and absolutely nothing in terms of understanding of what's happening there, to this, which is a very clean, a very sharp and informative view of what exactly happened. Of course, the TradeLabs algorithms are running in the background, just transforming everything that you would need, making this chart very visually appealing and making the signals very easy to identify just by basically showing you exactly what you need, showing you when to enter and where to exit, where the trend is going up and where the trend is going down. And as forex traders, that is exactly what you are looking for. Now, coming back to the forex gold, and for those of you who have actually followed today's trading market on the XAUUSD, which is, by the way, what you should be doing if you want to be successful at trading a market, you need to follow it to understand what's happening. And that means everything from reviewing long time charts, reviewing short time charts. You need to know how the market will behave and how you expect it to behave in order to take decisions. Of course, the momentum trading indicator is telling you when the direction goes up or when it goes down. However, you still need to have that basic information in order to make that decision. So, if you followed today's trading market on the gold forex trading, you would have noticed that we have some really powerful downward trend. And we did have one big, powerful upward trend. And oh boy, if you caught that horse, that would have been like this green trend that you're seeing on the screen right now just made up for the whole day. Crazy trend. So let me get into the details of it because you would see in a moment this has been just insane. Okay, so going into the actual chart and the positions, as you can see, I highlighted here the actual signal. This is the signal where the momentum trading indicator has alerted me this morning at 8:30 a.m. Of the starting point of a trend change, and boy, was that worth it. As you can see, I have also added this green arrow just to point to the fact that the actual momentum trading indicator has seen the change in the trend and has switched the colors in order to tell you now it's time to go long. Okay, so now what I'm showing on screen right now, on the right hand side, you would see the actual short signal, or the moment where the actual momentum trading indicator has alerted me of another starting point of a trend change, which in this case was the short signal. Okay, so with this, you guys have to understand this is only a tiny bit of part of the XAUUSD trading market for today. And for this little small part, which is just about an hour of your time, if you would have just followed it, the potential pips in this is absolutely insane. Now, if you look at this, of course, market, you would see a difference, of course. The starting and the exit points, you would notice it's a difference of just around about 10 points. Now, of course, to transform your points into pips in terms of the gold forex trading market, you would need to multiply the number of points with 100. So that leaves us with the amazing conclusion that just for this tiny bit part of the gold forex trading market for today, and this is a Monday where everything usually goes down, we had a potential of 1,000 pips into one trend. Just one freaking trend which could have brought you 1,000 pips. And I'm speechless at this point. What could you want more? So this indicator is telling you exactly what you need to do, when to do it, at what point in time, exactly the points for you to go in and go out and take it for you. For those of you who have actually followed this through and actually made some really good decisions today, then who's laughing now? And yep, that's just another day in the gold forex trading market. So that was it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this crazy recap of a crazy day with a tiny bit of a trend which worked out in our favor by tenfold. And God, did that make a difference. And it's so exciting to see how good this indicator is working, you guys. It's absolutely unbelievable. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you would like to try our new trend trading indicator, then don't forget to click the link below and sign up for a free trial.